Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the beauty and versatility of the English language. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into an A2 level word that's both practical and essential, available. This handy adjective means ready for use or to be obtained, and it's one you're bound to hear and use often in everyday conversations. So, what does it really mean to say something is available? It could describe a person who is free to meet, like when you ask, "Are you available this weekend?" It could also refer to something that can be accessed or acquired, like tickets for the concert are still available online. Whether it's a product, a service, or even someone's time, available is all about being ready and within reach. Let's talk synonyms for available. Words like accessible, obtainable, and usable carry similar meanings. For example, you might say, "The information is easily accessible on their website," or "Is this model still obtainable in stores?" Another synonym, usable, works in sentences like, "These tools are still usable despite their age." On the flip side, antonyms for available include unavailable, inaccessible, and unobtainable. Imagine calling a friend and finding out they're unavailable to talk, or trying to reach a website only to discover it's inaccessible due to technical issues. You might even hear, "This item is unobtainable in our region," which makes the contrast clear. How does available fit into daily life? Picture yourself making a reservation. "Can you check if a table is available at 7 tonight?" Or at work, you might ask, "Will you be available for a meeting this afternoon?" You'll also encounter available in contexts like shopping, travel, and customer service, such as, "Are these sizes available in store?" Or, "The next flight is available tomorrow morning." Here are a few more examples of available in action. "I'm sorry, the doctor isn't available right now, but you can book an appointment for next week." This app is available for download on all devices. She's always available to lend a helping hand. To wrap up, we've explored the meaning of available along with its synonyms like accessible and obtainable, and its antonyms like unavailable and inaccessible. We've seen how versatile this word is in conversations about time, products, and services. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And before you go, why not create your own sentence using available and share it in the comments? I'd love to see how you use this word in your daily life. Until next time, keep learning and keep shining.
Goodbye.